Moi, olen Tomi Petrescu ja katsot Football Mundialia.
It certainly appeared that way at the Under-17 World Championship earlier this year. In an otherwise disappointing tournament for the host nation, Petrescu impressed, scoring 2 of his country's 3 goals. Finland's coach was Jyrki Heliskoski.
He's a very skillful player, but physically he's still a little weak. Even so, I'm convinced that Tommy will go on to become a world-class player for his country. And to think he's never really played or trained in Finland. He definitely has the potential to go all the way.
Leicester City have Tommy under contract. They have a tie-up with his former club JJK and beat off the challenge of 6 other European teams to secure his signature at the age of 15. They've looked after him well, providing board and lodging, and the club has made sure he's continued his education after he arrived in England.
I was quite young when I first moved here, so it was obviously quite tough. But now that I've been here a while, it's much easier. There are lots of people at the club who always help out whenever I need them. They always ask if everything is okay. The best thing is that they let me visit my family whenever I want. Because of that, I've never really felt homesick.
Last season, Tommy scored 20 goals for Leicester's youth team and was rewarded with a place in the first team squad for the club's final game of their league campaign. The Foxes had already secured promotion to the Premier League, and Tommy was given 20 minutes as a substitute in the Midlands derby against Wolverhampton Wanderers.
I remember everything about that day. Earlier in the week, the coach had asked me to join the first team at training, and he told me I might get a game at the weekend. When I did, it was a dream come true. It was an amazing experience. It felt so good. It convinced me even more that I'd made the right choice in moving to England.
With Leicester having strengthened their squad during the summer, Tommy has yet to feature for the first team this season. Instead, his time has been divided between the Under-19 and reserve teams. He continues to impress though, and if Leicester find themselves still struggling towards the end of the season, coach Mickey Adams may give the striker his chance. John Rudkin is the director of Leicester Youth Academy.
He's now got to kick on now at a youth level and sustain a regular spot into the reserves, and then hopefully continues to make that progress, he'll break into the first team. He's certainly got some good technical attributes, and with the other areas that the coaches are working with him on, we're hopeful that he progresses.
Potential is one thing, confirming it is quite another. But that's the task facing Tommy Petrescu, who has high hopes of leading the line for both his club and his country.
Suomen vapari, Porttiin. Sadik yrittää jatkaa, Jakobsen, Petrescu pääsee väliin, tyhjä maali! 2-0! Tomi Petrescu pistää pallon häkkiin heti toisen puolen alussa. Ja nyt alkaa näyttämään hyvältä. Nyt alkaa näyttämään kyllä todella hyvältä. Ja se on kaiken kukkuraksi Tanskan kokenein pelaaja Mikael Jakobsen, joka epäonnistuu pahasti. Ja Petrescu haistelee tilanteen. Sadikin jatko. Ja siinä numero 2. Mikael Jakobsen epäonnistus. Michael tulee vastaan. Petrescu ohittaa miehen ja viimeistelee sitten vasurillaan. On lähellä, ettei siinä Mikael Jakobsen ehdi vielä väliin, mutta onneksi ei ehdi. Hieno, taidokas kierto ja riittävästi voimaa siinä laukauksessa. Näin Jakobsen saa pikkaisen jalkaansa väliin. Mutta pallo painuu verkkoon. 2-0. Mehmet Hetemai, Tomi Petrescu. Nyt on hieno tilanne kyllä Suomen kannalta. No näin, tulee myös näyte nopea tahtiin siitä, että vaikka kaveri nyt on pelannut lähes 70 poikien maaottelua, niin kyllä siellä pikkaisen Jakob Sakolaan. Vähän heikko syöttö tulee Sadikille, mutta Sadik suojaa hyvin ja Sapalo haltuunsa sitten Mehmet Hetemai. Ja nostaa sinne taakse Petrescu. Petrescu kokeilee vasurilla. Sören Kristensenille sitten jälleen laidalle keskitys ja juuri siellä ehtii Turunen katkaisemaan, mutta pallo pysyy nyt tanskalaisilla. Enevoldsen, Mikael Lundberg ja pommittaa ja Petrescu syöksyy eteen. Petrescu. Jälleen Jalasto.
Hyvä Tomi. Käännä selot toisen. Ota toisen Robin.
Tomi